Welcome to Muse's Sight Word Shape Up. Here are the words in today's session. Get ready. This is the word I. What word? I. Oh, she looks mad. I am mad. This is the word come. What word? Come. Come see the baby. Come see the baby. This is the word you. What word? You. I see you with fish. You and fish. This is the word blue. What word? Blue. Wow, this elephant is blue. Can you see a blue elephant? This is the word it. What word? It. Can he catch it? Wow! Catch it! This is the word red. What word? Red. Oh, I see a red swing. I see a red swing. This is the word in. What word? In. The mom and the baby are in the car. A mom and a baby in a car. This is the word where. What word? Where. Where's the mouse? Oh, there he is. Where is the mouse? We finished the words in today's session. Let's read them again. I, come, you, blue, it, red, in, where. Now get ready to try them on your own. Great job! You finished today's Shape Up. Want a few more ways to practice with today's words? Then check out our activity kit on Teachers Pay Teachers. Be sure to catch us again next time. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you later.